La discriminación del indio, de la discriminación del negro, de la discriminación de la mujer, de la discriminación de las minorías.
Smells good.
It smells like cantaloupe.
Yeah, I was like, that smells good. How about this one too?
These biscuits are my favorite. We've made these biscuits every fall for the past decade. I'll link the recipe down below. I highly recommend making these biscuits. They're so good. When times are difficult and anxiety runs high, having these annual traditions really helps me stay grounded. This recipe has always been a team effort, except for last year when Mash had to work and I had to make them alone. I ended up burning my finger.
For turkey. Do you think the one in front is the leader? Okay, let's move on. You ready to go?
The sparkling pear cider and the green apple sparkling water. Such a great combination. Okay, so hear me out. Mashed Japanese sweet potatoes. I just think they're so much better than regular russet potatoes. They just elevate a meal. They complement the other ingredients so well.
There's also more biscuit. Make sure it's warm.
I found these beautiful leaves on our walk today, and I just had to bring them home. They're like pieces of art. And natural decorations are the best. I used to think puzzles were too hard, and honestly, kind of boring. But now, I find them to be so cozy and fun. This puzzle is only 500 pieces. I really don't think I could handle an 1,000-piece puzzle, but this one is the perfect challenge. The only thing is, I think Darcy might be a little jealous of the puzzle.
No fees, no interest. I'm watching that.
I love slow mornings, and I'm just so grateful. I feel very lucky that I get time off, especially time to spend with my loves.
Oh wait. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
These biscuits are still my favorite. I love how golden they are. I think they're beautiful. I love the flakes of sage, and they also just taste delicious.
This. Is that a missing piece? Did I do good?
I think what I love most about puzzles is it just really helps me be present in the moment
Oh, hey.
with a challenge that
Oh
is
wait, I found it. It goes down here.
sometimes frustrating,
Oh, sick.
but really rewarding in the end.
It fits this coffee table perfectly, the puzzle. Do you see that?
Yeah, it's nice.
I set him
Domino
up,
effect.
you knock him down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa.
Cool.
Yeah. I don't know where my wine is. Cheers.
Cheers, baby.
This shepherd's pie might be my favorite fall comfort meal.
Pretty.
We roasted carrots in the cast iron, and then we added bite-sized pieces of asparagus. Then we added our leftovers from last night, a mixture of chicken and stuffing. So delicious. It always tastes better the second day, you know? And finally, the star of the show, we added the Japanese sweet mashed potatoes. And we stuffed it all in and put it in the oven. While we waited for the shepherd's pie to cook, we made a pear and apple pie.
I've got better things to do, okay, to leave a little bit undone, and be the cat in the sun. Be the cat in the sun. Set aside every empty spreadsheet line and loosen up on the grind.
10 out of 10, hands down, my favorite fall recipe.
Simmer down, settle back and mess around. Be the cat in the sun. Someday I will see the whole deal
Knock them out? Well, safely. With sleeping pills or something.
I might know where we could get some benzos.
Perfect. That way, that doesn't... Pulse?
I love Stranger Things with my whole heart.
No? I like that.
You could always just kiss her again.
Maybe that was your goddamn bowl cut.
Yeah, I mean, they're not that popular anymore.
Bowl cut. Oh my gosh.
How did you know that Vicky wanted to
Make out. Jackpot.
Okay, so I couldn't get any ethanol, but I was able to scrounge up a gallon of acetone.
Time to. I heard it behind the door, louder than before. The doctor's keeping someone there. It doesn't make sense. And there's never to go into the woods. Never, ever.
I finished.
Why am I talking to you anyways? You're a pop star. What do you know about monsters?
Watching cozy vlogs has really helped ease my anxiety, and making these cozy vlogs has also really helped. Looking back at the footage, I'm just reminded of all of the blessings that I have and how important it is to stay present. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that your life is cozy and that you can be present and focus on what you can control.